Welcome back, everybody. Mike McConville, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTech Workstations. It is a gloriously bright, sunny afternoon. We've got a couple of beautiful guitars working on here today. An HD28. Just put a fresh set of strings and a new saddle, intonated that saddle. This already has a compensated nut. This is a guitar that I did a neck reset on last year. So it's just kind of in for a quick tune-up. This is Brian's Flamenco guitar, and we quickly got to the meat of the matter. There were multiple spots along the length of the neck, especially here at the neck junction where it needed to be dressed. So it is now leveled. I'd gone over it with all the different straight edges. We'll recrown and polish, and we will lower the action just a little bit. It was a little bit too high for him. Even the Ramirez guitars I've worked on, they don't glue the nut in, which isn't a bad thing. I'm just surprised that it's a plastic injection molded nut. I'm going to make a new nut out of a harder material and get a little bit better fit than that. It's a little bit sloppy in that slot. I'm a little surprised, actually. It's such a beautiful guitar. I love the detail on the shape of the headstock, the woods, everything about it. It's beautiful. And then they put a plastic injection molded nut in here. Now, that's one thing, but the fact that it's just kind of wobbling, it's not even a press fit. So that's a bit of a disappointment. Finish is spectacular. It's obviously a beautiful guitar. This is my nut blank, and that is a press fit. So that's not wiggling, jiggling, wobbling. That's a good, solid press fit. And it's exactly the same story on the other end, which is a bridge. So every note is affected by the saddle. Look at how loose that is in there. It's not just that it's loose, but it's also plastic injection molded. He wanted to lower the action anyway. Now we've got a solid saddle. That's not jiggling or wiggling. The other reason they kept the action a little high was there was quite a bit of discrepancy in those frets. I had to level, recrown, and polish. So now we'll be able to drop this action down nice and tight like a typical flamenco guitar is, so you can get all the flamenco stuff happening. The tap plate goes all the way across the top on the underside of the sound hole. Very lightly built. So, solid press fit bridge saddle, same at the other end. Solid press fit nut. Here's our new press fit nut. It's not glued in. The injection molded bridge saddle was also replaced with a solid press fit saddle, and the action was lowered considerably. Now, it couldn't have been lowered before because there was all kinds of extraneous high spots along the length of that neck. But now the frets have all been leveled, recrowned, polished, buffed. So this is good to go. We'll just let those strings settle for a day or two, and then I'll triple check the intonation, and then Brian can come and pick it up and take it home. Look at the light shining through that back. It gives you an idea just how thin and lightly built this is. That's with the sun as a backdrop, and this is just refracted natural light. Welcome back to my workshop, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTech Workstations. So we have the Alhambra Flamenco guitar for Brian. That's all wrapped up now. Those strings have kind of stretched. I'm just keeping it humidified because the shop's kind of hot and dry right now. He'll be by tomorrow, so I'll be able to sort of ultra tweak this before he gets here, but now that those strings are settled. But sounds like a flamenco guitar. You got all that percussive attack and it really is a beautiful instrument. That body just wants to float to the ceiling. Yeah, big improvement for sure. Press fit bridge saddle, press fit nut, fret dress, drop that action down. Now she's behaving.